Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about the English learning because right now you can see that I'm standing at a open environment and cold winds are blowing around me because it is a rainy season, and if I look my right hand, I can see the high mountains covered with the snow because it's snowing there, and cool winds are coming from that side, and so for that reason I'm fully packed. I covered myself to save myself from cool winds and to keep myself warm, because when the winter season is going on, it is very necessary to take care of yourself. If you don't take care of yourself, the result will be that you will fall ill, and you will be the victim of different kind of diseases. In this way you will not be able to do your work, routine work. If you are physically unfit, you are not able to do the things in proper way, then you will be disturbed, and you will not be able to do your routine works on proper way. So I think that we should take care of our health. I'm talking about the English learning on this channel, and you know that any situation which comes in front of me, I discuss on that situation. In this way I think that when we speak on different kind of topics and environment, it is very necessary for the learners, those who are the beginners. They would come to know the new words, new sentences, because when we are talking on same topic, on same situation, then I think that it's not good, because the same words would come, and you will not come to know the new vocabulary, the new words. So if you want to know the new sentences, you want to explore the new things, then I think that you should travel a lot, travel on different places, on different spots. There might be visiting places around you, and make a plan, go there and discuss on those things you find there, on those visiting spots. You can discuss on those. In this way I think that you will improve your English language. You will come to know the new words, new sentences, and if you find any kind of difficulty while wandering, then you can inquire about those words from others, those know English language better than you. And if you don't find any friend around you, then you can Google or you can search the meaning of those words in dictionary and make the use of those words. Just knowing the single meanings of a word is not enough. Use that word in sentences. When you will use that word in sentences, it will help you to keep that word in your memory for a long time. So I think that when I'm making this video, sometimes the light is blurring, because you know that this is evening time, and sometimes when I move right or left side, then the pictures becomes the dull. You can see right now that the picture is dull, and if I little move, then it becomes good to see. So I have to stay at a still place. Just when I little moving, when I little move, then pictures becomes bad, darkness comes. So I am talking about the English learning, and it is about to rain, and I have to make this video of 8 minutes, and I'm praying to God that give me time for 8 minutes to make this video. Otherwise, if it starts raining, then I will have to go inside, and video will remain uncompleted. And the light is disturbing me. Here is good, and video will remain incomplete, and incomplete things are not good. So we will have to discuss a lot ahead in this video about English learning. As I told you that make a plan, visit with friends, go on visiting places, discuss there. And if you have any kind of friend who is good in English language, make plan with that friend. In this way, you both will discuss with each others in English language different kind of sentences, and you both will make the practice. You know that without making the practice, it is very difficult to learn the English language. Some people, as I told in my some of previous videos, that some people can write very good English, can read very good English, but they can't speak. What is the reason? Only reason is that they don't have the practice of speaking. They lack the practice. To speak the English language, I think that practice is necessary. So do practice on daily basis on any circumstances. I was laying in my home, and I was feeling coldness, but I thought that this is the environment, and a little when rain stopped, I thought that I should make the video for you, so that I'm moving and I'm also discussing. Light is disturbing, perhaps some kind of problems. You can see the grass behind me. This grass is stored for the cattle for the whole years. In 1 month, people cut grass, and then they store grass like this. You can see in background, and this is for the whole year, because in the whole year there is no facility of grass, though so the villages store the grass for cattle for the whole year. And you can also see in background, because the fog is seen in my background. You know that winter season is, and in winter season sometimes it rains, sometimes it's foggy day, and sometimes it's a sunny day. So different kind of atmosphere or different kinds of environment we come to know about. So I'm talking about the English learning, that I'm discussing on different kind of things. This is why, because when you will listen different kind of the things, then I think that it is good for you to learn how to speak, how to deliver on different kind of topics, how to speak spontaneously. When you will have to speak spontaneously, then what to do. So listen all kind of videos. On YouTube you can listen different kind of videos on different people, those speakers who are belonging to your country. Listen to those speakers first of all if you are beginner, because when you will listen to your own speakers, then you will be very easy to understand them, because their accent is similar to your accent. If in the beginning you start listening the exotic, the foreigner people, those accent is not matching with your accent, then it will be a great difficulty for you to understand. So if you want to master yourself, or if you want to make yourself able to understand the things in English language, listen to your native speakers. That lecture will be understandable. And in this way, when you feel that right now you are able to understand the native accent, then you can turn to other accent, you can jump to other accent of other nationalities. Slowly and gradually you will improve yourself. Some people say that learn English in 10 days, learn English in 1 month. It is not the correct thing. The right thing is that gradually and slowly it takes much time, a lot of time. After consuming a lot of time, you will be able to speak the little sentences of English language. And when you will do the practice again and again, then you will be able to speak English language fluently. And when you are a beginner, try to speak English slowly. Don't copy others, that others are speaking very fast and you will also speak fast. When you will try to speak fast, then you will forget everything. So first of all, try to speak the English language slowly, slow, understandable. When you will speak slowly, the other people, those are like you, non-native English speakers, can understand you very easily. Otherwise, they will feel problems while understanding what you are saying. If you speak slow and in a good way, then other can understand you easily. They can respond you, they will reply you, they will encourage you that in this way you can improve more better. So if you want to improve yourself more better than before, it is very necessary to do the practice on daily basis. Don't miss any day. If you are busy in some routine work, during the work you can speak, during the work you can think in English. Think in English. It is very good thing that develop the habit of thinking in English language. When you think in your native language, then you make the translation of those sentences in English, then it is very difficult for you. When you will develop the habit of thinking in English language, then automatically words would come out of your mouth and you will speak good English. For speaking the good English language, it is also necessary to fill your vocabulary with a lot of words. If you lack the words are not in your memory, and you will not find the correct word to place in any sentence. So beside learning and speaking the sentences, you would fill your vocabulary with a lot of words. You can do that. You can memorize 10 words on daily basis or 5 words. If you feel any kind of difficulty, learn 5 words on daily basis and make the sentences of those words, not just claim those words. Memorize them and use them in sentences. In this way, they will remain memorable in your memory, in your mind. Otherwise, you will forget after some days and you will feel difficulty when you will, I have heard this word, but what is the meaning of these words? Then a pressure would come on your mind. So relax. Don't put any kind of pressure on your mind. Make yourself relax and do practice on daily basis. In this way, I think one day you will speak very good English language. Hope you find this video useful. If you find useful, please like this video, subscribe this channel and give your feedback below in comment box so that we would come to know about your suggestions. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.